once thought to be the sonar of submarines, we've recently learnt that the truth is even stranger. For this is the song of the dwarf minke whale. They spend most of their lives alone, way out in the open ocean. But for just a few weeks each year, they travel to the Ribbon Reefs off the northern edge of Queensland. It's thought that whales use the coral reef as a kind of amphitheatre to broadcast their otherworldly calls. Named by scientists as the Star Wars vocalization, it's created by pumping air between their throat and their 1,000-litre lungs, producing two harmonies simultaneously, a high melody and some deep bass. In shallow water, sound travels 5 times faster than in air. So when they call, it soon attracts the attention of others. Incredibly, this is the only place in the world where these whales come together and sing like this. It could be a chance for males to show off to each other, or perhaps impress the females.